Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about signing in to Among Us. In order to do so, first off, we're starting out here in Epic Games, my library where I have Among Us here installed. However, if you go over to the Steam store, you will find that you can also get Among Us there, and that it is for a small cost. Now, you can also find Among Us on the App Store and on Google Play, and there it is free. On mobile, Among Us is free. So if you don't have it on your device yet, the answer to how to sign in is basically sign in to whatever your preferred device is. So if you have an iPhone or you have an Android phone or an iPad and you want to play Among Us, just look for it in the App Store on Google Play, or if you're on PC, you can find it in Steam for a small cost and on Epic Games as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.